Hello and welcome back to Simple or Difficult. In today's version of Quick Tip, I want to show you how you can set a starting view in Revit. So usually what happens in Revit is whatever view that was opened last in your Revit project file is what is going to open back with. Let me just show you what I mean. Let's say I finished working on this view and I saved. Okay, I'm done working for now, and then I close this tab which closes the project file. If I come back and I want to continue working on this and I click here, what is going to happen is it is going to open that particular view that was opened last. Okay, well, now there's a way you can set your starting view that whatever view you are working on and you save and you close the file, it is going to open with that particular view. Okay, be it the, let's say the cover page or whatever view it is that you want to always start your project with. Okay, there are a lot of benefits to that, but to do that, let's say you want each time you open your sheet, your file, you want each time you open your file to see the cover page like so. So all you have to do is go over to the manage tab, okay, and then on the manage project panel you will see starting view. Okay, click on it and then you will see it is already set to last viewed. All right, so you click on this drop down and then you go to where you have your sheets. You see sheet A101, you see the cover, you select it and you hit OK. And then now let me close the cover so that you will not be confused. So when you click on this save and then you close, when you open it back, instead of it starting with that view that we just saved last, the last viewed sheet, it is starting with this cover page. Alright, that is it for the quick tips. See you in the next one.